Oh, the legend's still big, Gato. It's you that got small.
Yeah, you changed, man.
I hear he's best friends with a dog now. He doesn't even have a sword. Some hero.
You have become a scared guy.
We should call him Woosty Boots. No. Did you hear? His new name is Pickles. No name. You know what? You guys are jerks. It is very conflicting for me. I'll find my own way out. Adios. Oh, you think you're better than us? Without us, you will always live a life of fear.
I do love the smell of fear. It's intoxicating.
It is?
Sorry to crash the party with your past lives, or your past deaths, as I like to call it. I was there to witness all of them. Each frivolous but you didn't even notice me because Puss in Boots laughs in the face of death, right? But you're not laughing now.
You are no bounty hunter. You are
Death. And I don't mean it metaphorically or rhetorically or poetically or theoretically or in any other fancy way. I'm death, straight up. And I've come for you, Puss in Boots.
But I'm still alive.
You know, I'm not a cat person. I find the very idea of 9 lives absurd. And you didn't value any of them. So, why don't I do us both a favor and take this last one now?
That's cheating.
Don't tell.
Run, Puss in Boots! Make the way!
Go ahead, run for it. Makes it more fun for me.